Sunflowers aren't just pretty to look at. They're a powerhouse in the world of agriculture and nutrition. Every year, American farmers harvest billions of pounds of sunflowers and turn those seeds into high-quality sunflower oil used in homes around the world. In today's video, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore the amazing journey of sunflower oil. Let's dive in. Fields of golden sunflowers stretching across the horizon are a breathtaking sight, and they're most commonly found in countries like Ukraine, Russia, Argentina, Turkey, and parts of the United States. These radiant flowers aren't just pretty. They play a huge role in the global economy and food industry. Sunflowers are primarily grown for their oil-rich seeds, which are processed into sunflower oil, one of the most popular and widely used cooking oils in the world. Sunflower harvesting typically takes place in late summer to early autumn, depending on the region and variety. A mature sunflower ready for harvest will have a drooping head, brown, dry back of the flower, and seeds that are hard and fully developed. The vibrant yellow petals will have mostly fallen off, and the remaining flower head looks more rugged and dry. Farmers often walk the fields to manually inspect seed firmness and moisture levels, ensuring the timing is just right. When it's harvest time in the sunflower fields, powerful sunflower harvesters roll into action. Harvesting too early can reduce oil yield, while too late can risk seed loss. These machines are specially designed with high-mounted headers that carefully cut and collect the tall sunflower heads without damaging the stalks. As they glide through the golden fields, the harvesters separate the seeds from the flower heads using a rotating drum system, then clean and store them in onboard tanks. Once the sunflower seeds arrive at the processing plant, the first step is screening. The seeds are poured into large vibrating sieving machines. These powerful screeners separate unwanted materials like dust, plant debris, broken seeds, or tiny stones. After cleaning, the sunflower seeds are put into a low-temperature drying oven to reduce the moisture content to about 6 to 10%. After cleaning, they're crushed and ground by heavy-duty mechanical presses that squeeze the seeds with immense pressure, releasing the golden oil inside. The crushed mixture then goes through a filtration system that removes larger solids and seed particles, producing a crude oil. This crude oil is then refined to remove impurities and any unwanted odors. In modern sunflower oil factories, Many facilities take efficiency to the next level by producing their own plastic bottles right on site. Once the PET bottles are formed and cooled, they move down the production line to the filling station. Here, high-speed filling machines precisely pour the refined sunflower oil into each bottle, ensuring consistent volume and zero spillage. Sensors and automated controls monitor every step, making sure each bottle is filled to the exact level. Once the sunflower oil bottles are filled, they head straight to the capping station, where high-speed machines cap each bottle tightly to ensure no leaks or contamination. From there, the bottles move to the labeling unit, where sleek, branded labels are applied with perfect alignment. The sunflower oil bottles are then automatically grouped and packed into sturdy cardboard boxes or shrink-wrapped trays by automated packaging systems. These boxes are then stacked onto pallets in organized batches, ready for storage or dispatch. Sunflower oil is a popular kitchen staple globally due to its light, neutral flavor that doesn't interfere with other ingredients. It's versatile for frying, baking, and dressings. A key benefit is its high smoke point, making it safe for high-heat cooking. Additionally, it's naturally high in vitamin E and low in saturated fat, making it a healthy choice for the heart. Beyond the kitchen, sunflower oil is a mild yet effective skincare ingredient. Its high vitamin E and antioxidant content protect skin from damage and keep it soft and moisturized.